Why they go Vietnam? Okay, never mind. Okay, so from here, we're gonna, to find the equation of the curve, we're gonna do integration twice. Okay, but we have to do it step by step. There are a few clues that this question has given you. Number one, they tell you that there's a point P. Two, they tell you the gradient of the curve at P. So when they mention gradient of the curve at P is 4, this actually tells you that dy dx is equals to 4. Okay, this is important because when you integrate later, remember you have an arbitrary constant, right? Imagine you integrate one time, you get one constant. Then you integrate one more time, you get another constant. Right? You're going to make things very confusing for yourself. So the first step is actually, when you integrate the first time, go and find the value of the constant first. Okay? So we have, to find dy dx now, is to integrate d2y dx squared dx. And this is simply the integration of 9 times of 7 minus 3x bracket square dx. Okay? So we apply the power function law. This is simply 9 times of 7 minus 3x to the power of 3 divided by 3 times negative 3 plus c. Okay, simplify them. You have negative 7 minus 3x cubed plus c. So this is in fact your dy over dx. Okay, now we know that at P, dy dx is equals to 4. So we're going to find P has what coordinate? P has a coordinate of 2, 10. So this will mean that 4 is equals to negative of 7 minus, what's the x value then? Because we already say it's at point P, right? The x value is the x coordinate of P, which is 3 times of 2 cubed plus c. From here, 4 is equals to negative. 7 minus 6 is just 1, so it's actually just negative 1 plus c. And c is equals to 5. So in here, we know that dy over dx must be equals to negative 7 minus 3x cubed plus 5. This is where it gets complicated because now there's a plus 5. So now to find y is the integration of dy over dx. Which means this is the integration of negative 7 minus 3x cubed plus 5 dx.
No, you see the dy dx, right, the negative went missing. For me.
Oh, for you. Oh, okay.
Went missing. Right?
Okay. So now we can integrate this guy. Okay, remember we can integrate them term by term. Alright, so we integrate the power term first. This is negative 7 minus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 4 times negative 3. Then what about the 5? You can integrate 5 as well, right? So 5 is 5x. Then you must have another plus c. Damn annoying, right? You have another plus c to think about. Yes. Okay, remember every time you integrate, you must have an extra plus c term. I know this. So you need to be very sure. Okay, which one? Okay, I remember in JC if we use c once, the next one we must use d. Okay, but at O level we don't really. It doesn't really matter lah. You want to use c again, it's okay. Okay, so from here you will get 7 minus 3x to the power of 4 over 12 plus 5x plus c. So you need to find this new c lah. But how to find this new c? Remember, point P has our x and y coordinate. So you just sub it in. So this will be 10 equals to 7 minus 3x, 3 times 2 to the power of 4 divided by 12 plus 5 times 2 plus c. Okay, So 10 is equals to 1 over 12. Oh no, why got 1 over 12 plus 10 plus c? Okay, but this is easy because there's a 10 there. C is equals to negative 1 over 12. So therefore, equation of curve is y equals to 7 minus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 12 plus 5x minus 1 over 12. Okay, so you integrate twice over here. Okay, but every step you integrate, you need to use the information given from the question to solve for the unknown constant there. Okay, can? Right, so that is how we can apply the integration in coordinate geometry questions.